What's up guys, welcome back to a new Raqmedia tutorial here with Izzadeen. In today's video I'll be showing you how to remove an admin or an editor or a moderator from your Facebook page. Welcome back. So that's the Facebook page. We want to remove an admin from it, or you want to remove yourself as an admin from it. Good. Let's next head on to settings. From settings you head on to page rules. Good. Next here you will get down or scroll down until you find the admins of the page. For example, you want to remove yourself. You have 3 admins. We carry on edit as we have transferred this new Facebook page into another admin. Now we no longer want to post on it, so we just remove ourselves from it. So all we need to do here is to click on remove. If you remove the admin from your page, any post they scheduled will not publish. You can manually publish this post at any time or create a new post to schedule for a later date. Okay, no problem. You will be required to enter the password again as a security measure. Paste or type in the password. Next you click on submit to refresh. And that's it. Hope that was helpful. See you in coming tutorials. Peace.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.raqmedia.com.
Bye for now, see you next video.